I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook an egg fried. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need 1 or 2 fresh eggs, a good non-stick pan, and about 1 tablespoon of butter or oil. Make sure your pan is clean and dry. Also, have a spatula and a plate ready so you can easily transfer your perfectly cooked egg. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's get cooking. Place your non-stick pan on the stove and add about 1 tablespoon of butter or oil. Heat it over medium-low heat until shimmering. Carefully crack 1 egg into the pan, trying not to break the yolk. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see the whites begin to set and the edges turn a lovely golden brown, indicating it's almost ready. The beauty of a fried egg is customizing its doneness. For sunny side up, cook until the whites are set and the yolk is runny. If you prefer over easy, gently flip and cook for 30 seconds to 1 minute. For a jammy yolk, cook over medium for 1 to 2 minutes after flipping. For a firm yolk, cook over hard for 2 to 3 minutes after flipping. Once your egg reaches your desired doneness, it's time to serve. Gently slide the perfectly fried egg from the pan onto your plate using a spatula. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to enhance the flavors. Enjoy your delicious creation immediately, perhaps with some crispy toast, creamy avocado, or alongside your favorite breakfast companions. It's a simple pleasure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.